Hello people, welcome to another tutorial. This tutorial is a monk tutorial, how to complete the Sharpening Claw Mastery, also known as the Claw Mastery level 3. As you can see, mine is level 2. Now let's get straight to the point. To begin with, in order to complete the quest, first of all you have to take it. You have to come here in Elban and you need level 160 or above. You wanna walk right here to the palace. You're gonna go at King Albano. He is right there down. And this is where you can get your quest from. Sharpening Claw skills. Now, let's see what we need. I have already killed everything and gathered the materials, so once you get the quest, he's gonna tell you to come at Feline. Feline is this woman right here, the pub. You have to talk to her and she will give you the list of what you need to kill and collect. Now, in the list, you're gonna need to kill Maenae, I'm not even sure how you pronounce it, and hallucination monster. You also need to get light crystal 1, spongy hide 30 and giant fang 15. In order to get this, I'm gonna start with giant fang and light crystal. I'm gonna show you exactly where you can drop them at. You wanna come right here in this map, Bison Forest sector. The giant fang, you will drop them at this elephant right here. This elephant, not the orcs, just these elephants. I think they're more right there. Yep. And the light crystal is right at that tunnel. Do you see where I'm pointing on the screen? In there, if you go, you will meet a boss, a blue transparent flying dragon, something like that. The name is Plazuda, if I'm not wrong. And that's exactly where you will drop light crystal. Now, for the next two things is spongy hide and Maenae monster. Maenae and hallucination monster. Okay, I'm gonna show you where is Maenae at. So that monster is right here in the area 1. You can find it. Is this flying one? Let me show you. Yep, this one. And there's also a bunch right there, and right there as well they spawn. Now, since you know where they are, we can get to the next requirement, which is spongy hide. I'm gonna go with spongy hide first before I show you the hallucination monster. So spongy hide, you can get it. Usually you will drop it most of the times at the mega roche, the fishes, the green fishes that you farm experience at. But if they are very difficult for you to kill, you wanna find the giant worms named Album. There are some white worms, Album named, and if you have processed through the story until Elban City, then you already have met them, because in the story you are required to kill a bunch of them. So you wanna come right here. You're gonna go down that path. And the album should be right here, right over the corner. Yep, these white worms. They are a lot easier to kill, obviously, and they drop it, but they don't drop it as easy, I think. So, I mean, they do, apparently, so you get like one each kill, which is like perfect. Now, the last requirement for it is the hallucination worm. They're not hallucination, I just can't pronounce the name. But the name makes you hallucinate, literally. So, you wanna walk right here. Magic Research Institute. You wanna talk to this guy. I mean, wait a second, you will see him right now. And you wanna jump, go down in the ruins. And the hallucinations monsters, they're right here. Hallucigenia, yeah, these ones. Here is exactly where you find this. And now that you have completed the gathering and the killing, what you have to do now, I'm not even sure, I think we have to talk to Feline again before we report at King Albano. So we're gonna go to her. Yep, we collected everything. Yeah, the quest has been updated, so we have to go back at King Albano. Yep. And there he is. And I think pretty much that's it. Once you report to him, he will give you the, yep, Claw Mastery level 3. Where is it? There it is. Alright, that's it with this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Leave a like if you can, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.